Hello, in this video we will discuss the problem of increasing uric acid and its homeopathic medicine. I am in treatment for arthritis and arthritis with increased uric acid in blood. Homeopathic medicine is also the called medicine. Homeopathic medicine does not just reduce increased uric acid level but also increases immunity power of body. Due to excessive use of proteins, uric acid starts increasing in the blood. When it is increased, the pain in the joints in this body becomes bad. The sound of a cut, a problem like arthritis causes a problem, is the first medicine. Colchicum 6X. This drug works very well in controlling uric acid levels in arthritis. Symptoms like swelling of the leg bone, joint pain, difficulty in walking, red pimple in this small more like finger, wrist are more wasted, muscles aches and weakness are felt. The rheumatism of the patients of this medicine swells. Changing the place causes joint pain. Sometimes fever also comes. There is a pain in touching the toe or walking in the heel and the knees collide. It becomes difficult to walk. Swelling and blindness is also felt in the joints. The main symptoms of albumin is found in the swelling and urine in the hands and felt of an old person. In all three symptoms are yours, then take 2 or 3 drops twice a day will prove to be extremely beneficial. Second medicine, Lidampal 30 potency. This medicine is the most effective medicine to control a high level of uric acid. If the patient's pain goes from the bottom to the top, the Lidampal 30 potency medicine is very effective medicine for gout and other joints pain. There is also swelling in the feet of the patient and it's hurt when walking. It is a cold metal medicine which has all the symptoms related to cold. In the medicine of drug, pain in the swelling of the feet up to the knees, such as a sprain has occurred, there is pain and swelling in the toe. In such symptoms, 2 or 3 drops of Lidampal 30 potency in the morning will be very amazing. Third medicine is Guaiacum 30. This medicine is also given in pathologies arising due to high level of uric acid. Patient who does not tolerate heat. The main symptoms are Guaiacum 30 does less good work in less than 30 days of high level uric acid in chronic disease. Knee inflated patient does not tolerate heat and patient gets very dirty well smell in the body, feeling very hot from touching the joints. The patient of this medicine has pain from head to neck, pain in neck joints, feet heat stiffness and discomfort in shoulder. Also, due to data of joints, it becomes very difficult to shake hands and feet. In such a symptom, Guaiacum 30 will be very amazing benefits and dropping on the tongue. 2 drops in 3 times is very amazing benefits. The fourth medicine is acid benzoic Q and Urtica urens Q mother tincture. Its mixture. Its symptoms are as follows. If uric acid has increased joint pain, urine is brown and a smell urine, then its mixture there. Two medicine in an empty bottle and pour this medicine in half cup of water in the morning, afternoon and evening. Take very amazing benefits 3 times in a day. And the last medicine, acid uricum 200 potency. High amount of uric acid in the body is beneficial in arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis and joint pain. It helps in reducing uric acid very quickly. If you get all these symptoms, you can use the medicine without hesitation. You will get immediate benefits. You will get all the medicine in any homeopathic shop. So how was it? Subscribe to my video, like, share and comment. Thank you.